Well, that was the day so far. Hello and welcome to a fresh new edition of Closing Bell. I'm Prashant. With me, my colleague Nigel. Nigel, hi. I mean, the market is not holding on to gains, and that's been true from the morning. It looked like it was actually a flourish of an opening, straight up 150, 160 odd points. But then the drop-off also came almost immediately, and since then it's neither been here nor there. About a third higher, 0.5% up, but never quite back to the day's highest point. So maybe in the middle, maybe a little lower than being in the middle of the range is what we have. Comfortable, 2:1 advanced decline ratio. That has not faltered since the word go. A lot of the old economy sectors are doing well. So you look at, metals as a space, and maybe we shed more light a little later. PSU banks are doing well. Energy as a pack is doing well as well. I mean, these are pockets which are doing the best amongst the broader market. Later, there is, of course, the Fed Chair Powell's speech at Jackson Hole, and there is outsized importance being given to it. It's possible it turns out to be a damn squib. I mean, the man says more of what he said so many times over so many past occasions, and the market just moves on. It's completely expected. But I think the market reaction and the anticipation is also expected. It's ironical, but that is what it is. We're going into a weekend as well. In any case, I mean, even if it was not a weekend, you're basically running up into the Fed speech, which is going to happen after markets shut. So you're going to be reacting one way or the other when you come back on Monday morning, the next trading session. Nigel, hi.
Well, hi, Prashant. We've been in a bit of a range, 100, 120 point odd range. So the dips are getting bought into. At high levels, we're getting some supply, So today, the day's low at around 17,560 approximately. The day's high is at around 17,690 or thereabouts. There are a couple of strikes as well that are fairly active today. So the 17,700 call, with big open interest built up out there. More than 33 lakh shares have got added out there. The premium out there around, that 92 odd rupees. And that's not really moved too much in spite of the markets being up close to around 70, 80 points or thereabouts. So that's telling you there is writing at that level. 17,700, 17,800, that'll be a resistance. On the downside, though, encouraging to see a good amount of open interest built up there as well. Close to 25, 26 lakh shares getting added at around that 17,500 odd mark. Premium at the start of today was around 150 points. So you just plug in that number, that's giving you a stop loss of around 17,350. And that's the level we went to earlier this week. From there, we saw a bit of a bounce. So the broad range would be on the downside, 17,350, 17,400. You'll have to, try to take a bit of a punt, take a long trade out there. On the upside, till we get past that 17,700, 17,800 odd mark, yes, it appeared we're going to get there. Till we get past that, then in fact the bears will feel that they're still pretty much in the game. But let's get in Rahul Mohinder, who's joining in, I think so. All right, I think let's run you through first what we have on the show, and then we'll get a quick technical check on the markets.